Alright guys, so today is kind of it's gonna be a different thing for me. Just got off work, headed to the airport, about to go flying with Tara, and she doesn't know it yet, but I will be proposing to her over our new house that we just bought and are working on together. So let's hope she says yes. But on our way to the airport now, so we'll catch you guys then. All right, guys. So about to pull up to the airport here. So hopefully I'm gonna try and get everything set up before she shows up. I know she got off work a little bit early today, so hopefully that doesn't cause an issue in this whole plan that I've kind of somewhat concocted. Anyway, so pulling up to the airport here now, you can kind of start to see the planes and the big hangar. This is actually the airport I learned to fly at, and she actually came and watched me do my first solo here. So she's seen me fly the plane by myself for the first time ever, and then now she will be hopefully saying yes to my question here in just a short time. So we'll see what happens, and I'll let you guys know just as soon as I know. What are you saying, baby?
Do you want to shut this?
Knoxville traffic, 6 Bravo Sierra is cleared of the active Knoxville.
No, not right now. It'll get hot in here because it's so warm out today. Yeah, Sears right there. So we got a Cherokee coming in somewhere. Forget where he said he was at, or she. I guess it's a she flyer.
I want to be a she flyer.
You want to be a she flyer? There she is right there. See her? Right there on downwind.
Yeah.
Can't get my takeoff. Alright, baby. It's gonna be maybe just a little bumpy coming up out of here, okay? So.
I see it, baby.
Do you?
See, it's a big part of the river.
Yeah, it is a big part of the river. It's pretty wide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could fish all through there.
Yeah. Because your parents are like right over there somewhere, aren't they? We flew over them the other day. Because Gatlinburg
Traffic.
is over there. Yeah, they're like over there somewhere.
You see it?
Yeah. If you can see it back here. Baby, will you marry me?
You did not.
I did.
Babe.
Yeah.
You don't make me cry.
Yeah.
Oh, I love you so much. Did I not say yes?
That's a yes.
Did I not say yes?
No, you didn't say yes yet. Can I get a yes?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll marry you.
Okay,
Because I
thanks.
love you more than anything.
Yeah?
Yes.
Alright.
You're so pretty, baby. That was even better than the last one.
Silky smooth.
Sweetheart. How much more time do you have?
About 15 minutes ago. Oh, that's fine. I mean,
I was going to say, if you had 15 minutes, do it again.
it's alright. Love you.
I love you more.
You want to drive it like a car?
Is your recording thing on?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh.
Yeah, everything's recording. Downtown Island traffic, Grumman 26889ers, clear of the active, taxing back to the shade ports. For real this time though. Alright folks, well, good takeoff, good landing. Forgot to record both of them, so we took off and landed again. Had a better takeoff, better landing the second time. The second time was even better than the first, and the first was nice. The second one was butter.
Butter.
She said yes, so now we're engaged. So she's no longer girlfriend Blay. That's what she's been calling herself because she doesn't like girlfriend. So she says girlfriend Blay. But now she can be fiance Blay.
Woo! Fiance Blay.
You don't say Blay?
No Blay.
No Blay? Okay.
No, fiance's okay.
Okay.
It was girlfriend I wasn't a fan of.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Trying to wife her up, folks.
Lucky man.
Shit. I was thinking lucky woman, jeez. No, I'm not
Lucky woman.
Not saying that I'm the crap, but you know.
You're the poo.
Yeah, I know. But you do know that, right? And the poo?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You
cool.
get it for me.
Oh God.